Hello student, today we will talk about real numbers. So what are real numbers? Its definition is rational numbers along with irrational numbers are called real numbers. So real numbers means rational numbers, rational numbers plus irrational numbers. So rational numbers plus irrational numbers are called real numbers. Diagrammatically how we will do this? Let us suppose you have here rational numbers and here you have irrational numbers. When you combine these numbers and put them together, then here we get what? Real numbers. So rational numbers plus irrational numbers together known as real numbers. Very easy to understand and learn. Now I was talking about some diagram for remembering these numbers. Now how this diagram is drawn and how it is remembered, how it is understood, let us see. You know, these are counting numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so on. And you have given them a name. What was that name? That name was natural numbers, N. And if you put 0 here and then you put all these numbers together in some box. Now see, this box is containing 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so on. Now these numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you know they are called whole numbers. Right? Now there are some negative numbers also. If you put here negative numbers like -1, -2, -3, so on, and you put all these numbers in another box like this, then you have a box which is containing what? You have this box, it is containing whole numbers and natural numbers. Means this bigger box is containing -3, -2, -1, then 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This big box is containing these two boxes also. So this third box can be given a name integers because it includes negative numbers, it includes positive numbers and 0. So integers are there. Now after having integers, you know there are some numbers like this 1 by 2, 7 by 11, 100 by 111 and many more. Some can be negative here, -1 by 2, -7 by 11, -200, 1 over 1, 1, 7. So these are fractions, these are positive fractions, these are negative fractions. Now if we put all these numbers together in some bigger box like this, now see, this bigger box is including what and what? It is including integers, it is including whole numbers, it is including natural numbers. So this bigger box was given a name rational numbers. Now you see, this rational number box is containing integers, whole numbers, natural numbers. It means every natural number is rational number. Every whole number is rational number. Every integer positive or negative is rational number. Every fraction, negative or positive, is rational number. So there is a big box which is containing integers, whole numbers, natural numbers. This big box is named as rational number, means all the numbers in this big box are rational numbers, right? So very easy to understand. Rational numbers include integers, rational number includes whole number, rational number includes natural numbers. So all these numbers are rational numbers. There is some other class of numbers which I am writing here. They are not included here. They are special numbers. Their container is here like this. These numbers are like root 2, root 3, root 5, like so many can be there, pi, or sometimes number like this 1.01, 001, 0001, so on. These numbers are different from these numbers. So these numbers are called irrational numbers. Root 2, root 3, root 5, they are not the rational numbers. They are some different numbers. They are not whole numbers, they are not integers, they are not natural numbers, they are not whole numbers, they are different. So they are placed here separate. Now we have one big box here which contains rational numbers. You understand rational numbers contains what? Integer, whole number, natural number. And there is one separate box which is different from these numbers, root 2, root 3, root 5, pi, and some other numbers like this. If I put, now I have this big box and this round box. If I put all these two boxes together in some other big box like this. Now see, this big box is mainly containing rational number box and irrational number box, means rational numbers and irrational number. Now these two numbers, they are placed in this rectangular box, and this rectangular box is given the name real numbers. Real numbers. So this is very easy to understand. Natural numbers, one box, 0 is put and all numbers are put in this rectangular box. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Box is whole number. In whole number box, we add more numbers, means we place some more numbers outside whole number box, minus 1, 2, 3, negative. Now see this box which contains negative integers, positive integers, and 0. This is the box. This box is labeled as I, means integers. Now outside the integer box, I place some more numbers, that is negative fractions. There can be many. I have write only 3. I have also written some positive fractions. Now these fractions plus integer plus whole number plus natural number, they are given the name together rational number. Means rational number box is containing integer, whole numbers, natural numbers. So these are the rational numbers. Now there are some other numbers which do not fall here. They are different numbers. These are root 2, root 3, root 5, pi, and these. They are called irrational numbers. Their container is here, irrational container, and rationals container is this one. These two containers are then placed in some other rectangular box, and they are what? Rational and irrational. Now they are together called real numbers. This is how we remember the different kinds of number. You can take one example for understanding it. If somebody says, what name can be given to this root 2? So I will just see the box in which it is containing. It is containing in this box. This box or this figure is given the name irrational. So root 2 is irrational. Other box which is occupying this root 2, that is this big box. Then big box name is real number. Means root 2 is irrational number and real number. Same way, if I take this minus 1, now see, minus 1 is in this box. So minus 1 is what? Minus 1 is in this box. So minus 1 is what? Integer. See 4. Minus 1 is also real number because it is also in this box. See once again. I have asked you to look at minus 1. Minus 1 is in this box. Its name is integer. Minus 1 is also in this box. In this box. Then it is rational number. Minus 1 is also in this big box. So it is real number also. Take one more example. See 5. 5 is in this box. So 5 is natural number. 5 is also in this box. So 5 is whole number. 5 is also in this box. So 5 is integer. 5 is also in this box. So 5 is rational number. 5 is also inside this big box. So 5 is real number. 5 is not here in this box. So 5 is not irrational number. 5 is rational number. So this way you can understand. If you take one more example, let us take the example of pi. Pi is in this box. So pi is irrational. Okay. Now pi this box is containing in this bigger box. Real number. So pi is irrational number as well as real number. Right? But pi is not in this box. So pi is not a rational number. It is irrational number as well as real number. So I hope this explanation will help you a lot. You can draw this diagram on some sheet and paste it near your study table, and by looking it again and again you will understand it very easily. This diagram is very important for the children studying in class 6, 7th, 8th, and may also be useful for the other classes or for the students preparing for different competitive examinations. You can give the name to any number by just seeing at this diagram, whether it is rational, whole, real, integer or irrational number. So I hope this will help you a lot. Thank you.